How to redeem birthday gift on Ulta. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem birthday gift on Ulta. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. As a popular destination for all things beauty, Ulta loves rewarding loyalty through its rewards program. If you are a member, which is 100% free to join, you will have access to freebies and other remarkably exclusive savings opportunities all year. But never more than during your special birthday month. Ulta has historically laid out its birthday freebies for you ahead of time, which eliminates any element of surprise. Getting your hands on birthday gift is easy breezy. Here's all that you have to do. Firstly, sign up for a free Ulta Beauty Rewards account with your email, including your mailing address. Second, provide your birth date so you can get your birthday gift during your birthday month. You must provide your birth date by the 8th of your month to be eligible. You'll receive an email at the beginning of your birthday month with the opportunity to earn double rewards points on all your purchases during the calendar month of your birthday. The points can really add up. For example, once you reach 750 reward points, you will get 30% off on any purchase. Lastly, you can either redeem your birthday gift online through your birthday email or search birthday gift at ulta.com. So, this is how you can redeem birthday gift on Ulta. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giant for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.